Hi, I'm Anusha. I make beauty related content. If this is something that interests you, please take a moment to click that subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Today I am going to be sharing my review on Minimalist Azecler 17% plus propolis serum. Actually this is an azelaic acid based serum, so I am going to be sharing details like what is azelaic acid, how it is beneficial for the skin, and what are the derivatives of azelaic acid, and I'll be sharing other details like basics of the product, the ingredients that they have included in the product, how to use this product, and how my experience goes with this product. So to know all the details, please stay tuned. Now first quickly look at the basics of the product, then we will talk in depth about the ingredients. It comes in this black bottle as all the other minimalist products comes. It comes with a pump packaging and it retails for $6.99 for 30 ml of product. Again, the standard pricing of Be Minimalist products. Coming to the specifications of the product, they have mentioned that it is fragrance free, silicones free, paraben free, and essential oil free, and it has got no dyes and sulfates, so it is very suitable for sensitive skin people. The pH of this product comes between 5 and 6, so it is very close to our skin's natural pH. Then coming to the consistency of this product, it has got a slight viscous nature and slight golden hue, maybe due to the addition of propolis in this serum. All propolis products have that characteristic golden hue to them, and it has got a little bit of scent, maybe that is also coming from propolis, because propolis has got that orange kind of smell to it. Yeah, those are all the basics of the product. The ingredients and all the details are mentioned on the bottle itself, which is a good thing actually. Upon opening of this product, you have to use this product within 6 months. Now coming to the actual ingredients list of the product, this serum is made up of 3 important ingredients. These are Azecler 17%, which is azelaic acid derivative. Then we have propolis at 4% concentrations and metmarine at 3% concentrations. We will talk in depth about these ingredients. The first ingredient of this serum is aqua, obviously water, which forms the base of this product. Then at the second place we have potassium azelaic diglycinate. It is the much known derivative of azelaic acid. It is a water soluble form of azelaic acid. It is derived by mixing azelaic acid with amino acid glycine. Glycine moisturizes the skin very well. So this derivative, along with the other benefits of azelaic acid, this particular derivative also moisturizes and hydrates the skin. So at second place we have potassium azelaic diglycinate or PAD. Actually they have mentioned on the website that this is 17% Azecler. Azecler is also a derivative of azelaic acid. Upon application onto the skin, it converts to 5% of PAD. So I am expecting the second ingredient is Azecler, but they have mentioned PAD as the second ingredient. I have asked the brand that this is actually, you have actually included Azecler in the formulation, then why the ingredients list has PAD instead of Azecler? They said that Azecler and PAD are the same thing, but I am not that much convinced. If it is the same thing, then why you have mentioned that each application will give you 5% PAD on application onto the skin? I didn't get that. But on your website, while googling about this Azecler, I have seen that Azecler is equal to aqua plus PAD. So I am thinking that that's the reason why they have mentioned the ingredients list as aqua, then followed by PAD. Maybe I am thinking the both equal to Azecler. Before moving on to the next ingredients, let's talk about the azelaic acid. Azelaic acid is a dicarboxylic acid. It is derived from grains like wheat and barley, but the azelaic acid which is used in skincare formulations is mostly lab derived because it is more stable and more effective. And coming to the advantages of azelaic acid has research and data showing that it will help the skin in following ways. Those are, it will help to reduce the acne on the skin. It is antibacterial. The main function of azelaic acid is it will help to reduce the redness on the skin. It will help to soothe the skin. It is tyrosinase inhibitor, means that it will help in reducing the hyperpigmentation on the skin, and it will help to reduce acne marks, and it will also help to prevent the new acne from forming on the skin, and it is also an antioxidant also. So these are all the benefits that azelaic acid offers to our skin. So we know that azelaic acid is very good for the skin. But the problem is it is very tough to formulate with direct azelaic acid because it is neither water soluble nor oil soluble. So we have derivatives of azelaic acid that can be formulated easily. So we have derivatives like potassium azelaic diglycinate. One more thing, when you are using azelaic acid products, azelaic acid normally works very slow. So you have to give the product some time to actually show some results on your skin. Actually, when coming to the studies of Azeclair, it is shown to reduce the active sebum follicles by 18.89% and the sebum secretion rate decreased by 37.51%. But all this data is coming from the manufacturer of this ingredient itself. We have no individual studies supporting these claims. So now you got an idea of what Azeclair is. Then we have propandiol as third ingredient. Propandiol is a good humectant and penetration enhancer, means that it will help the other good ingredients to penetrate into the deeper layers of the skin and work there. Then we have glycerin. Glycerin is a good humectant. It will hold water onto the skin, making it look plump and healthy. Then we have propolis at 4% concentration. Propolis is an ingredient related to bees. Actually, bees collect the sap from trees and flowers and they mix it with beeswax and they will make this propolis to seal the gaps and cracks between the hives. This propolis is known for its antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral properties. It is very soothing on the skin and it is a good antioxidant also. We have got propolis in 4% concentrations. Now coming to this metmarine extract. It is a biotechnologically derived ingredient by fermentation of marine bacteria of Antarctic Ocean. What this ingredient will do is it will help to reduce sebum on the skin and it provides some anti-aging benefits. There are some studies supporting these claims. It will improve the appearance of pores by clearing out the sebum. It helps by reducing the activity of melanocortin 5 receptor, which is a protein that is important for sebum production. So it will reduce the functioning of this particular protein, thereby reducing the sebum production. So I think now we have got an idea on the three important ingredients used in this formulation, that is Azeclair and propolis and metmarine. Then moving on to the other ingredients, we have some hydrating and sleep agents like xylitol glucoside and hydroxylethol and xylitol. Then we have some other good ingredients like sodium hyaluronate and lecithin, which is an emollient, and the other ingredients are basically pH adjusters, solvents and preservatives. So that's all with the ingredients of this product. Now coming to how to use this serum, you can use this serum both AM and PM in the serum step. Azelaic acid pairs well with almost all the ingredients like niacinamide, vitamin C, AHS, BHS and everything. But it is better to do a patch test before including it in your skincare routine. If you are using it in the AM routine, after cleansing, you can go with your vitamin C serum, then wait for 1 to 2 minutes, then follow up with this product. If you are using it in the night time, then you can use this after niacinamide serum, and you can layer it with other actives. Whatever actives you are using in your skincare routine, you can layer this product with those actives also. Now coming to my experience of using this product, as I have already mentioned, I have been using this product from past 1 week to 8 days. I must say I have not seen anything drastic or anything wow like effects after using this serum. But one thing is, it is not sticky, it is not adding any extra weight in my skincare routine, and one more thing is it helps to regulate sebum to some extent. And I have a big acne last week here, so when I am using this serum, it did not leave that much prominent mark how my acne leave. But I am also using vitamin C in my morning skincare routine, so I cannot completely attribute that benefit to this serum only. So as of now, I have not seen any major difference. So till now, I have seen only a little bit of sebum reduction. But this is an azelaic acid serum, and azelaic acid will take some time to show the results. So I'll continue using this product for 1.5 to 2 months or till I finish this bottle. Then I'll do a full thoughts or full review kind of video comparing this product with 3.3% PAD from Deconstruct Skincare. So with that, I am wrapping up today's video. If you enjoy watching this video, please give it a like. Also share it with your friends. And if you have already used this serum, please share how your experience goes with this in the comment section. We'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.